If you are an educator or a parent, you will definitely agree with this video, but I bet you have never thought of it. As an educator and as a parent, we always want our kids to perform best in their education and then land up into a great job or start a new startup which should be great enough. But have you ever considered that does all the people who start a new startup or who are sitting at the top of the company, are all of them that much qualified educationally? No, the answer is no. The reason behind this is they have a different set of qualities as well, which we are not giving education of to our kids in the schools and the colleges. But what kind of education qualification they have which is making them rise higher and higher in spite of the fact that they are not beyond the expectation student, they are an average student. These qualities are managing stress, managing emotional well-being, being calm into the tough situation, and taking care of any kind of situation, whether in life, whether in professional life, with a resilience. So resilience is the core word which these top people have, which we are not able to teach to our students and our kids in their real life. Consider yourself as an example. When you joined the organization, you must have felt a lot of stress. Maybe today also you must be facing a lot of stress. Many companies or the corporates, they have started giving the coaching to their employees. They have hired multiple coaches for their employees, for their mental well-being, to lower their stress, to tell them how to manage the stress. But are these students being taught all these qualities? We have wasted many years of our life in the job, in the stress. Then we are either taught by the corporates or the coaches, or we learn by our hard experience, the stressful experience which we had earlier. What if these students, they can be taught these kind of skills while they are in schools and colleges? Why not to make them market ready? Today's challenging times of globalization, of competitive market, and AI now taking places of many jobs, the new generation yet to come, the new pass outs, they will be facing a lot more challenges in life that we have. So why not we can make their life a bit easy by making them understand how to control the day-to-day situations they face now, and how to control the day-to-day challenges they will face in the coming years. If we can make them understand this, if we can teach them, then they will be performing a much better task than we have been doing. Do you agree with me or not? If you agree, and if you want to know more how we can do it, please message me, please connect with me, because I have developed certain programs for schools, colleges, and higher education institutes, so that to make their students resilient towards the chaos which is coming ahead in their life, and the performance of their students will only justify the brand image of your schools and colleges and institutes. We all know that. So connect with me and let's make a brighter future for our students and kids.